So Jaan Pakistan is researching and developing affordable energy solutions, and our focus is on developing clean cooking solutions that reduce harmful emissions, eliminate indoor household air pollution, and also make combustion more efficient. So people end up saving on cooking and heating fuel. So nearly 50% of the population across Pakistan is burning firewood and other biofuels on open fires, and that's a very inefficient way to burn biofuels. There's a lot of wastage. We've developed a technology that makes combustion 40% more efficient and nearly eliminates indoor household air pollution. So there's a health impact, an economic impact, and an environmental impact to the technology that we're introducing.